Okay guys, so initially I was going to do this video. Oh, my eyebrows look crazy. I was going to do this video as a shopping haul of what I'm going to get from the grocery store today. But I'm going to turn this into more of a nutrition video for some of you guys who have issues finding things that are relatively healthier than what you would typically buy at a better price than if you were going to somewhere like Trader Joe's. So today, I'm going to show you guys in a second. A little sweat, it's a little warm. I'm going to show you guys where I am. I got my bags on deck, and if I need my bags, probably means I'm somewhere where they don't have bags. So I'm going to show you guys right now where we're going. We are shopping at Aldi's today. I'm definitely going to be showing you guys what I got, why I got it, and all that good stuff. So make sure you keep watching and make sure you subscribe. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe. Like right now, like hit the subscribe button. I got 35 total items for $83.04. So let me show you what I got. One thing that I really like about this new Aldi's is that they have an organic section and they have a very well established produce section. The next thing is that the price is amazing. Like the price point is crazy. I showed you my receipt. I got 35 items for 83 bucks. Typically I would spend on a week's worth of groceries for Raymond and I probably around $100 to $150. I'm just gonna highlight a few things just so you guys can get the gist of the video, what you can get when you're in Aldi's for such a good price. Another thing, another woman and I were super excited about these bell peppers because I pretty much put bell pepper and onion in everything that we eat. And these 3 bell peppers were 99 cents. I'm standing there looking at the bell peppers like 99 cents. Like I usually pay $1 for just one and I can get 3. I can get 3 for one. A couple other things, baby carrots, 99 cents. They're pretty much the same price at Walmart or Target. Got some cucumbers here. I got this big thing of spring salad mix. I think this was around like $4. At Walmart, it's probably about $4 or $5. Your local grocery store is probably about the same price range. So I probably saved about $1 on this. Another thing that I love, lemons, lemon water, lemon on fish, lemon on shrimp, lemon pepper chicken. This I'm super excited about. Ginger and sesame salad dressing is made with organic apple cider vinegar and ginger. So I'm definitely gonna be trying this out. I hope it tastes good. It's only 50 calories for 2 tablespoons, so I'm here for it. I'm definitely here for it. This is probably the most expensive thing I bought is this wild caught pink salmon, which also needs to go in the freezer ASAP. I bought it because it's wild caught, and I also haven't had salmon. Well, I had salmon on Christmas break, but before then, I can't remember the last time I actually had salmon. So I picked this up. It's a 2-pound bag, and I want to say that it was around $8-ish. I believe it was like $8. So being wild caught definitely what drew me to it. So I picked this up real quick. What did I miss? I got bananas. I never buy a lot of bananas at once. So I got 5 bananas here and they're still green. I'll probably let them yellow up for like 2 days before I start actually eating them. I hate sweet bananas. They are not good. Salty snacks. I'm so guilty of wanting some salty snacks. So this is one thing that I picked up. The brand is called Clancy's, and I guess that's like the brand at Aldi's. And it's just popcorn kernels. So I scoop it out, I throw it in the pot, and I pop it myself. And I got a little popcorn flavoring back there. I don't know if I'm gonna use it because it does contain milk, but we'll see. 2 reasons I buy canned pineapple. One is because I don't know how to pick a pineapple. If you know how to pick a pineapple, tell me, give me the tips. Let me know down in the comment section. How the heck do you know how to pick a pineapple? Then the other reason is I do not know how to cut a pineapple, nor have I attempted to cut a pineapple because they make these handy dandy cans for a girl like me. So these pineapples are in 100% juice. There's no sugar added. This is why I go for it. So this is my 35 items that I got for $83 at Aldi's. Definitely a good bang for my buck. If you shop at Aldi's, let me know in the comments below. If you stop shopping at Aldi's for whatever reason, let us know, because I noticed that a lot of Aldi's have totally changed what they're selling, their brands, and their quality is just gotten so much better. So if you have an experience with Aldi's, I want to know, share, because if there's something I need to be aware of, let me know before I make this my regular place to go start picking things up. And with that, that's all I got for you guys today. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.